Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, Australian dollar, US dollar, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 11 March 2021. So this analysis is for 11th March only. Tomorrow you'll be seeing me again with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 7204. Let me take the pencil. So right now market is trading at this price. Okay. And we can see that market was in uptrend. Okay. And from here markets started falling. Okay, market consolidated for a while and then market fell again, and right now market is trying to go up again, but we are not sure whether this is a reversal or a consolidation. Okay, so we are not sure. So what can we do today, or what should be the strategy for today? Okay, so our first strategy for today can be, okay, the first strategy can be, if you are a risk taker and if you've got some risk appetite, okay, then wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to reverse from this per 50 moving average. You can see that market is trading below the 50 moving average, and right now market is almost trading at a 50 moving average. Okay, and just wait for the market to get some price rejection. Let the market if or let the market face some resistance on the 50 moving average. If market faces some resistance and if you see some price rejection from above, like this or like this, okay, if you spot some price rejection, okay, from above, then we'll understand that, okay, the 50 moving average is still acting as a resistance for the market. In that case, we can short the market. Your first target will be this and your second target will be this. Okay. This will be your first target because market may try to bounce off from here. Okay, so for a quick profit you can go for a trade if you get some price reversal signal in this point. Okay, or if market gets resistance from the 50 moving average, and this will be your second target, 7105. 7105, you need to come out from the trade. Okay, because there is an extreme support available at 7105 level. Let me show you on the chart. Okay, if I zoom out the chart, you can also see that I have drawn a green line here. Okay, if I zoom out the chart, okay, you can see that before this uptrend, okay, market was in consolidation. Okay, market was having no trend, it was going up a little, taking support, going up, it was taking support. Okay, so market has got extreme support at this particular zone. So if you short the market at the 50 moving average, okay, then this line is your take profit target. You need to come out of it, and market may reverse from here because stochastic RSI is in also overbought zone. And your second strategy can be, wait for the market to come down. Let me take the pencil again. Wait for the market to come down. Okay, when market will cross this green line. Okay, when market will cross green line. Okay, just see how the price is reacting near the green line. Okay, whether there is volume or not, whether the price is being supported by volume or not. The volume is important. If you see that, okay, the price is getting the support of volume and the sellers are back on the market again, they are selling it. Okay, and just wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, and just observe how the market is reacting. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology. Just try to understand who is dominating the market right now, buyers or sellers. Okay, and if you see that sellers are dominating the market, okay, after 1 hour, then you can short the market here. So this is your second strategy. So the first strategy is you can short the market. The 50 moving average, if you see that price is getting rejection from above, 50 MA is acting as a resistance. And the second strategy is wait for the market to cross this level. Then you can short term market. But do remember there is good support available, so wait for 1 hour at least. Okay, and try to understand the market psychology. Okay, then only short term market. So these are the 2 points where you can try to make money on New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 11 March. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel for regular market analysis. See you tomorrow, and you can also check my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and do subscribe. Bye bye. Good luck.